The program is definitely great for hands-on learners. At the core of it all, you want to be in massage therapy because you want to help people.
Our massage clinic, it's a public clinic which allows for our students to integrate their knowledge and skills and deliver actual care to actual clients.
We are actively reaching out to members of the community to see how they can work with our massage therapy program.
Seeing someone go from dealing with chronic pain to being almost completely pain-free, that is the most rewarding part of this job.
There are so many career paths in massage therapy. You can own your own clinic. You can work in another person's clinic. You can work in multidisciplinary.
If you really enjoy helping people, this is very rewarding in that aspect. If you like building your individual career path, massage therapy is perfect for that.
Watching them go from being first-day students to really being very close to what a registered massage therapist is going to be at graduation is unbelievable.